I want to show you how to use Nimbus to record your courses. So to use Nimbus, you must have downloaded it, which I've shared earlier in the video. So you come here and click on the Nimbus icon, and you will see record video. Now, you must be on a particular open website for this to work. If the website is not open, these options will not be working. So you must have visited any website, maybe google.com, before you can click on this Nimbus. Then you click on record video. So Nimbus will ask you, do you want tab, do you want desktop, do you want webcam only? So I'll say desktop, and I'll click start recording. You can add watermark, you can record your sound, make sure that this is on, then say start, click start record. So it's going to show you this option. You will click your entire screen and click on this entire screen, then you can click share. If this entire screen is not clicked, the share option will not be showing. And ensure that you click on share video, share audio, so that the audio can also be recorded. So you can click share. So at the bottom here, you will see Nimbus screen and video recording, sharing of your audio. So that means that it has started recording. So when you are through, you click stop sharing. So while it is recording, then you can now go to your slide. You now start talking about your courses. Oh, welcome to my course. Then you start um, moving from one step to another. If you are teaching how to do things on computer, so you now go to your computer and be doing that thing. If it is how to write code, you start writing the code. If it is how to use accounting software, you start opening the accounting software and be showing the people step by step. So whatever the course is about, you start doing it while the video is being recorded. Then when you are done, you click stop sharing. So after you click stop sharing, Nimbus will take you to this. So Nimbus will take you to this page, so you can see save video. So I can use this save video to download the video to my computer. So assuming you want to download the video to the computer and use it elsewhere, you click save video. You can send it to Google, you can send it to Dropbox, you can publish it on YouTube. But these other options are paid, so you might need to pay for you to be able to use publish to YouTube, Dropbox, and send to Google. Then there's also the video editor part. I hope you can see it. So when you click on this, so it's going to show your video, and you can trim your video. So if, for example, there's a part I don't like in the video, I will, at the bottom here, I can click play. So when you get to where you need to cut, you will come to this trim, and you will drag this beginning to where you need to cut the video. Then you drag this end to where it's supposed to stop. Sorry about it. All right. All right. So you drag this beginning to where the video you want to cut, the beginning of where you want to cut, then this end to where you want to stop. So I'm only leaving it at towards the end because I don't want the video that I recorded that I'm showing you to be talking, so that it doesn't cause confusion. But I hope that is clear. Just drag this to where you want to start cutting from. Then you drag this to where you want to stop the cutting. So, so I hope that is clear. The beginning here is for where you want to stop, when you want to start the cutting, while the end there is where you want to end the cutting. However, you need to be playing the video so that you can be hearing and know which part you want to cut away. Then when you are done, you click on this trim. So when you click this Oh, sorry, you click on this remove selected. So when you click on this remove selected, this part that you have highlighted, that you have selected the beginning and the end, will be cut away and the remaining will be left. So then when you are done, you can click done at the top here. So, but I don't want to cut anything, I'll click cancel. So at the top here, you can see done. You can see discard and done. So when you click done, the part that you don't want will be cut away. Like I said, the feature might be part of paid option. Um, if you go to Nimbus website to see the price, Nimbus, so you can see the okay Nimbus capture. So that's how it works. Then you can click on publish on YouTube if you have paid for it. But if you have not paid, you can manually save your video and manually upload it to YouTube. But if you are using the paid version, you just click publish to YouTube. But the price is not expensive, it's affordable. But if you don't want to use it in the paid version, just use the free version. So as you can see, it's showing me the percentage of the number that has been uploaded to YouTube. So when it's 100%, it will appear on YouTube. You need to open a YouTube channel. Just go to youtube.com and then create an account, and you can start uploading your video to YouTube. This does not cover how to use YouTube, but just how to use your video courses. So you can see it is uploaded to YouTube. So if you go to YouTube and I come to my videos, I go to my channel. So the video will appear here, the one you share from Nimbus. So that's how to share your video to YouTube. So on YouTube, I can click on the video. Um, and I can click on share, as you can see here. So it is this link you will need to paste inside your course if you are using YouTube for your course. So you copy this and go and paste it inside your course. That's how it works. I hope that's clear. Thank you.